na bana rusaba abajumba baite simule and I don't want to mention you bali muri pro government na bana ko basa kuri studio nga nainu kaba fair to abananchi na banda hata leaders uma the problem ya bajumba baito bari current and more especially our pro government imbali bako au mbinga piuta kabeto mo MC go takubo karindi tuabere leaders ka tuachoru paka tuachoru kabere we cannot be written off let batware egento ko inclusivity ine the problem what abachumba baito bagusi bakisi yani ngota gusi
abako machikwa
yani be migerereti na bono te abano ko be anjete buka ekera kwa mikutani yakoba kwa manduku garengeno kitutu obe bua nyamasi nero gikore onye does it mean that that's ababandi na abataba elected does it mean diangote betata chikura chirocho tante binona abalimi chikura ne chinkong and more especially these members of parliament bare first time chikura jaka bina chinkong ekinara te bakende ngeringa synthesize nyagende neriyo oko synthesize abantu banje UDA na kikegenda wotatikabone problem ngo chikoba onganjire kwane ne constituency chinde abachumbe babo batari programment no amangana kale nakia konate bangonya bachumba baito batari gutigenda amwe njinande banganjire batebi batigenda amwe mune moko bayigurire gento kirikiro mondazo paka biuta gocha inje ngote